This is one of the most requested recipes on our channel, and today we're finally making it. This Copycat Outback Bloomin' onion sauce is a very close version of the original restaurant dip. Creamy, tangy, and just a little spicy in all the right ways. The full recipe link is in the description below. Start by adding 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, 1/3 cup of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and 1 tablespoon of horseradish into a bowl to create that rich and creamy base. Make sure to use creamy prepared horseradish to get that authentic flavor. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder to build a savory foundation for the sauce. Then season with 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt to round out the flavor. Finally, add 1/2 teaspoon of paprika and 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper for that smoky color and gentle heat at the finish. Now whisk everything together until the sauce becomes smooth, creamy, and fully combined with no lumps remaining. Once mixed, cover and let it chill so all the flavors can come together properly. If you're enjoying these Copycat restaurant recipes, take a second to like the video, share it with someone who loves sauces like this, and subscribe to our channel for more easy homemade recipes. And don't forget to tap the bell icon so you never miss what's coming next. And your Copycat Outback Bloomin' onion sauce is ready. This recipe makes about 3/4 cup of sauce, perfect for onion rings, fries, burgers, chicken tenders, or any snack that needs a bold dipping sauce. Try it out with your favorite snacks and see how close it comes to the restaurant version. Let us know in the comments what you paired it with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with more recipes like this.